You need to make a living while you make a difference. You share, but there's no impact. You post, but don't get likes. And there's no life at your live events. No one is buying, yet people are always picking your brain for free advice. We offer a path forward. Whether your concept is still developing or you have a million scattered ideas, the Rise and Reign Academy helps you dominate. And you're just in time. The entire world has shifted to support the architecture of consultants. Forbes projections show education developing into a $1 billion a day industry, and that's extraordinary because teaching is what we all do anyway. So tap into that $1 billion a day power. Our services are personal, and when we're done, you'll confidently empower clients, launch incredible workshops, group coaching sessions, and deploy game changing content. We offer 3 programs designed to grow with you. The Horizon course caters to the solopreneur. How do I sell, create an offer, or deliver with confidence? You'll find out in Horizon. Horizon is your consulting startup kit. In Empire, we open our playbook to you. We build your authority and provide frameworks you will emulate throughout your course creations. Legacy is our most elite service-based program. Legacy is designed to free you up so that you can concentrate on just showing up. With Legacy, our team essentially becomes your team. Get excited about what's waiting for you. It's time to rise and reign, and your tribe is waiting. Start with your next bold move. Enroll now.